Buksan mo na.
Asan na yun? Pagka-uwi ko pa lang, niisip ko na to eh. Sabi ni. Nanay, gusto ko mag-scout.
Mag-scout ka.
Kaso ano daw eh. Sinabi sa akin ni Erin, pag daw nag-scout ako, kailangan ko daw gumising ng maaga. Every Monday.
Oh, Monday lang pa yun.
Tsaka daw hindi ko kaya magseryoso. Kailangan daw magseryoso din.
Gaya mo yun pag gusto mo.
I'm so proud. Sabi na.
This is Madeline came in experiencing dizziness and severe nausea after running in the college track meet.
And winning 100 meter.
Urine analysis and abdominal X-ray were normal. I could try GI cocktail or my gastritis.
Ang ganda ko.
Liit-liit eh. Paano kakasya ng gamit mo?
Ay,
She
shit.
set a state record. It's heat exhaustion and dehydration.
Wala nga ako libro eh.
In full face.
I doubt my makeup can run faster than I do.
I was trying to college. I found makeup.
Kinikilig ako.
Well, I'm just once again.
Uy, stop mo na yung video. Baka story mo pa yan.